thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tupelo County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Galesville, or 13 miles southeast of Arcadia, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Tupelo County, including the following locations: Peacock Hill, Thimble Park, Patrick, Camp Degra, and Frenchville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now the forecast for West Central Wisconsin.